Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. And I have the same outfit from my previous videos because I am trying to crank them out as much as possible today. Because this is one of the only times I have free to be able to make videos. But for this video I wanted to share with you my current obsession. So yeah, stay tuned to see what that is. The bag that I am, and I know I have already unboxed and purchased a lot of stuff this year already. Most of it was not on my original wish list, but this is another bag that has made it on my wish list. I don't know when I'll try to get it, but I am just obsessed with this bag, and that bag is, and I'll put a picture right here. It is, I believe the company is pronounced LOEWE, and it is the puzzle bag. And yeah, so I first, I guess I've seen pictures of this bag before, but it never really caught my interest. But there's a YouTuber, and he goes by the name KNY Fortaleza, and he's in Australia, and he has a couple of these bags, and yeah, he totally made me obsessed with these bags. So he has a navy blue one and a tan colored one, but the one that I am probably, if I do get one, would either be the orange one or the black one. Now I really do wish that this bag came in a so black version. Basically, you know, black leather on black with black hardware. But I don't think it is currently in that colorway. But I guess I could dream. But the reason why I am really liking this bag is that, for one, it has a handle on top, and so I don't have to try and manufacture a handle on my own. So that's number one. Number two, it is a very geometric style of a bag, and it's called a puzzle bag because it is made out of quite a few different pieces of leather, and they are all, you know, polygon in shape. And yeah, the nice thing about the design of the bag also, and I guess this is point number 3, is that it can be folded up. It can be folded up in a way that it folds flat, and that makes it for easy transportation, or not transportation, but easy packaging if you wanted to pack a bag, you know, for travel that you don't want to, you know, lug around in the airport or use that allowance as your carry-on. Which I usually have a big old backpack and, you know, a duffel bag or my roller luggage to be used as my carry-on allowances. And the bag is that I'm talking about, the puzzle bag, is not that big, so yeah, it would be nice to be able to pack that in one of my luggages and, you know, take it out and fill it with all my stuff when I get to my final destination, and use that for going out and whatnot. I think this is point number 4. Yeah, anyways, my next point about this bag that I'm really liking is that I think it was originally in the men's line from LOEWE, and just recently it is, you know, been more popularized by women, and that's why you see more women carrying this bag on social media, on Instagram and on Facebook, but on YouTube. But I like the structure of the bag, and I think point number 5 is that there is a flap, and I'll put a picture up here again, where the zipper in the front, there's a flap so it hides the zipper, and so it makes it harder to get into if a thief is trying to get into it. And then the next point is that there is a pocket, and I believe it's a zippered pocket in the back. Let me see if I could find a picture really quickly. Yeah, there is a zippered pocket in the back that you could you know, stash cards or your bus ticket, or you know, you could even probably, I don't think it'll fit your cell phone and be able to zip it up, but you could put your cell phone in there and have it stand up if you want, just like what they do in the what do you call it, in the Chanel Jumbos. And another point, so this bag is just filled with a lot of great points, and that's why I'm so obsessed with it. So it does come with a strap, and there are multiple ways that you could wear the bag, and depending on where you buckle the strap, so there are different D-rings around the bag that you could basically attach the strap, the shoulder strap on with, and you could wear it as a backpack, you could wear it as a shoulder bag, a crossbody bag, if you know you could fit that kind of bag, or that strap rather. You could wear it on the crook of your arm because there is a big enough handle, or I don't know if you could put that handle on your shoulder because it might be too small, but it might be big enough that you can do that. But yeah, I just really think this bag is really cool. There is a lot of different colorways that you can, that this bag comes with. There is, you know, different, as far as the different colors that they use on one bag. I've seen where there is 2 colors used. I've seen where there are 3 different colors used. But I think if I were to get a bag, it would be a monochromatic, or just a single color, and that color would either be black or orange. Because yeah, I think I want another pop-in color in a bag, but again, it would be hard to resell if I decide that it's not for me personally. And of course, you know, black bags would sell a lot easier and hold their resale value a lot better. And like I said in a previous video, whenever I do buy something nowadays, it's, you know, I have to think about resale value, because there are not a lot of things in my current collection that I would consider forever pieces. And I don't know if this would be a forever piece, but who knows. I really hate selling stuff, so you know, and I really do like it at the moment. And I think they sell it at you know, like Nordstrom, but I have not been to Nordstrom in a very long time, so maybe I will try to head on over there sometime in the near future so I can try to find this bag. I think the price point, let me go to the LOEWE website and tell you the price point. It is not a cheap bag at all. Okay, so the puzzle bag, what I'm seeing is $2,590. I also see $2,290. And then the color, the different colors on one bag is $2,690. So I'm not entirely sure how many different sizes there are, but it looks like the smaller version of the bag costs $2,290, and the medium sized or the larger version of the bag is $2,590. So yeah, this is not a cheap bag by any means. Yeah, it is just as much as, you know, bags from Dior, from Louis Vuitton, even from Chanel. And so yeah, this is quite the investment in a bag if I do decide to get it. So yeah, I will have to think about this one, and it might be on my wish list for 2019, we'll see. Or if I do find one in the store at Nordstrom and, you know, try it out on me and it works and it's such a great bag that I might just buy it then. But yeah, that is my current obsession. I would like to know what you guys are currently obsessing about, either it be a bag or an SLG or anything like that. I'd really like to know what you guys are hoping to acquire in the near future. But yeah, so that does it for this video. Hope you liked it, and stay tuned for more videos. And until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.